What's up, guys? Welcome to another episode of Get Real Bass Fishing. Yes, we uploaded on a Saturday. We're gonna start doing Monday, Thursdays, and Saturdays. Today we're actually going out onto the water in this video, and we're going after some bass, topwater bass, and we got it done. Me and Erica went out and caught some fish. I caught the most fish for once, but we got the job done. It was fun. Normally we're doing saltwater, but now we did a little bit of freshwater. Really cool day. Super hot, but we got the job done. Anyway, I want to say first that this video is actually sponsored by the boys over at Mystery Tackle Box. If you want to see more about the details of Mystery Tackle Box, go into the description below. It'll be that first thing. Use my promo, you can get your box as little as $10. And the cool thing about Mystery Tackle Box is the fact that they give you new baits that you probably haven't seen, and you can also get really inexpensive, great baits. So check the link below, use GetReal, this promo code, for as little as $10 for your first box. Anyway, let's get onto the water, catch some fish, and show you guys the amazing day that we had. Let's go! There we go. Here we go, boys. Solid largemouth on the frog, right in the reeds. Cool. Mwah. Smooch and release in the boat. All right, here we go. Oh, what? How do you manage that? Yo, you gotta get a picture of that one.
Oh, he's swimming in the air right now, look.
Maybe he thinks he can fly. That's a nice sized bluegill. Either way. Oh my gosh. Bro, what? Keep pressure. All right, what if you go under him and just pull the lilies until they break?
Oh, this is frustrating.
There we go. Nice, another bass on a frog. Nice. Mwah, smooch and release. Little feller. Mwah, smooch and release. Bye. Bye-bye. All right. So the one time I'm not recording, I got a fish. Chunky little bass. Mwah. There we go.
Wow, it's a nice one.
Yeah. He's sitting right in front of you.
Fishing. Yeah, wow.
Oh, I didn't get to kiss him. I didn't get to kiss him. That's what I'm talking about. Nice little bass. Beautiful, beautiful bass. Mwah. Smooch and release. Bye, little bud. Nice. Another one. It hit like 3 times. There we go. Sweet. Mwah. Smooch and release. Bye, buddy. There we go. Little guy, lipless crank. Mwah. Smooch and release. What's up? Alright, so I hope you guys enjoyed that video. We caught a lot of fish. Like I said in the beginning, caught more fish than Erica for the first time in like a week and a half. And I don't know, it was fun. We've been doing a lot of saltwater fishing, catching blues and stripers and using 10-foot rods, 10-6, 9-footers. You know, it felt good to finally use a really small, compact, lightweight, heavy-duty bait casting rod. So, I don't know, catching bass off the lilies, that's always fun. But we had a great day. We'll be doing some more very, very soon. But yeah, man, if this video goes up and we're not at 10K, we will be at 10K probably that day or the day after. So I just want to say thank you all for getting us to 10K and supporting me and the team for months, years. A lot of you have been here for years, and we're finally growing some good sizes. But I don't know, man, it's been a crazy year, and I just want to say thank you for all the support. So we will be uploading again on Monday, Thursday, and Saturday from now on. Freshwater, saltwater, you name it. So if you're not subscribed, be sure to hit that red subscribe button, bell notification. That way you get notified when we upload. Give this video a thumbs up too. I really enjoyed it. Anyway guys, thank you for watching. Stay real, smooch and release, and have some fun on the water. I'll see you next time.